Looking for a work-from-home job with great benefits? Look no further. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best companies that offer remote work opportunities with unlimited vacation. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Subscribe to my channel for more great content like this, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Now, let's dive in. Number 1, Bright Cellars. Bright Cellars calls itself a data-driven wine subscription service with the goal of helping wine lovers figure out and talk about their wine preferences by matching them with customized monthly wine selection. The company is made up of an immensely focused and effective team that wants to grow experienced and enthusiastic people who are interested in jobs in graphic design, accounting and finance, project management, operations, food and beverage, and other fields are encouraged to send in their resumes. Bright Cellars does have full-time jobs that can be done from home, part-time jobs with flexible hours for people who care a lot about keeping a healthy balance between work and life. Number 2, Impulse Creative. Impulse Creative is a digital marketing and branding business whose primary mission is to assist clients in determining the most efficient way to achieve their objectives. The company helps clients grow and strengthen their brands by providing services in the areas of design, digital and online marketing development, sales tactics, written content, and video services. Impulse Creative is not only a recognized partner for services such as Shopify, Google, Databox, and a number of other services, but is also a Platinum HubSpot partner. Businesses such as residential building and service providers, restaurants, travel and hospitality organizations, and others have all been served by the business in the past. The work that is done by Impulse Creative is referred to as wayfinding, and the company places an emphasis on the part that effective marketing can play in facilitating the trip toward clearly defined business objectives. The business assists its customers in developing and launching plans, utilizing effective inbound sales approaches, and testing and adjusting those strategies to guarantee that the campaign is on the right track. Workshops are another service that Impulse Creative offers to clients in order to assist them improving and maximizing their use of HubSpot, inbound sales, videos, and branding. Number 3, Fluent City. Fluent City, which has its headquarters in New York City, New York, is both a language school and a training organization. It offers immersive and culturally relevant language instruction to businesses, groups, and people. It offers possibilities to learn several languages through in-person workshops, corporate training, and online resources, which include proprietary textbooks and multimedia content. These educational programs are available to both individuals and businesses. Since the company was established in 2011, Fluent City's quick expansion has been made possible by the incorporation of an interactive learning experience into its modern curriculum. Past opportunities for part-time, freelance, temporary, and remote work with flexible and alternate schedules, as well as short-term agreements, have been made available with flexible Fluent City. This broad range of employment opportunities has been made available. Applicants that are preferred are those who will benefit from the diversity of the organization and are dedicated to maintaining their sense of wonder in all of their undertakings. The majority of their employment are teaching languages online, including Chinese, English, French, Spanish, and a variety of others. They can work from home. Number 4, Zynga. Zynga describes itself as a prominent developer of the world's most popular social games for web and mobile platforms. The group is always on the lookout for new recruits with unique skills who are interested in contributing to its overarching goal of bringing the people of the world together through the field of video games. Career seekers who are dedicated to quality and have a passion for gaming have the opportunity to apply for flexible jobs in a variety of job categories, including project management, operations, entertainment and media, graphic design, and software development, among others. These employments have allowed for freelancing responsibilities, flexible scheduling, temporary job assignments, and the freedom to work from home, all of which contribute to a healthier work-life balance. Number 5, Automattic. Web development has been Automattic's primary focus since the company's founding in 2005, when it became a completely distributed organization. Automattic, which manages a dispersed workforce, employs over 500 remote specialists in roughly 50 locations across the world. The company views remote work as an integral component of its business model. which it has utilized from the very beginning. It is because Automattic is able to identify talents wherever they live that the company has been so successful. This paves the way for new opportunities and gives team members the flexibility to work the hours that work best for them. As a result of the continued growth of the business, the company is looking to add compassionate, self-motivated, collaborative, inquisitive, and independently minded people to its team. In addition, it is seeking potential applicants who are enthusiastic about making the world, as well as the internet, a better place. Automattic provides its eligible employees with a comprehensive benefits package, which includes medical coverage, an unlimited amount of vacation time, and either home office setup or a stipend to use a co-working office space. This is in addition to remote jobs and flexible scheduling. Additional benefits include paid time off for maternity and paternity leave, a paid sabbatical of 2 to 3 months every 5 years, medical coverage, and annual meetups sponsored by the company that take place in countries ranging from Canada to Mexico to Hungary. Number 6, Upworthy. The goal of Upworthy, a media firm with its headquarters in New York City, New York, with a mission to change what the world pays attention to, is to change what the world pays attention to. The company has been around since 2012 and publishes videos, images, and various other types of information that users can share with their friends and co-workers in order to educate and amuse them. As an employer, Upworthy offers a variety of flexible career opportunities in a wide range of fields and highly values all aspects of diversity. As a result, the organization welcomes applications from people coming from a wide variety of walks of life, including atypical candidates and those who have a prior expertise with storytelling on social media. In the past, flexible employment opportunities at Upworthy have been made available in the form of remote positions. They were either part-time or full-time, jobs that were freelance and part-time, and short-term remote projects. Previous openings suggest that the company's remote work is accessible to applicants located anywhere in the United States or anywhere in the world. However, certain jobs are aimed specifically at home-based workers who are located in particular cities or regions, and these openings are filled on an as-needed basis. Number 7, Within. A marketing company called Within was the first of its type to become an industry pioneer by specializing in performance branding. Additionally, eligible staff members at Within are offered a variety of perks, including health insurance, paid time off, wellness benefits, stipends for transportation and phone use, team activities, and professional development opportunities. In the past, there has been a trend toward providing career chances for seasoned experts in sectors such as web design and software development inside Within positions. The organization is open to accommodating a variety of flexible work arrangements such as freelance positions, full-time schedules, no travel obligations, and ability to work completely remotely. Individuals that are talented and passionate about Within's mission, possesses good communication and organizing skills, and have a positive and collaborative mindset are sought out by the company to join its team. Number 8, Morning Brew. Morning Brew is a daily email newsletter that was established in 2015 and provides a briefing on the most recent news from Wall Street to Silicon Valley. The company relies on a small team of employees who perform their duties either from home or from a location in New York City. Morning Brew is looking for people that are deadline-driven and interested in introducing more excitement to the business sector. All of the members of the team have a shared love for learning and creating new things. Employment and freelance opportunities with part-time or full-time schedules and optional remote flexibility are examples of flexible jobs that have been posted in the past. These jobs can be found in a variety of fields, including entertainment and media, project management, news and journalism, operations, internet and e-commerce, and more. Number 9, Airbnb. Airbnb was started as a way to bring together homeowners who wanted to rent out their extra space with travelers who were looking for lodging that was clean, comfortable, and secure. Listings on Airbnb range from conventional accommodation to more outlandish accommodations like tree houses and castles. Airbnb is a global marketplace that connects travelers with individuals or businesses who have space to rent out, plans for remote work. In an effort to further improve its employees' flexibility, Airbnb has announced that they intend to allow their staff to work from any location forever. Recent remote job openings include senior analyst, program manager, staff software engineer. Thanks for watching this video on Work Remotely Jobs with Unlimited Vacations. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you are interested in learning more about finding a work-from-home job, be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thanks again and happy job hunting.